Hello students, this is class 6th Honeysuckle Poem 3 The Quarrel, and this is lecture 1. The poet of this poem is Eleanor Farjeon. Today we are going to cover the following points. Number 1, introduction of the poet will be done. Then explanation of the poem line by line will be given. Summary of the poem, and then at last homework will be assigned based on today's explanation. First of all, about the poet. Here we are going to introduce the poet. Who is poet? Eleanor Farjeon, English writer for children whose magical but unsentimental tales, which often mock the behavior of adults, earn her revered place in many British nurseries. The Quarrel. Before we begin with the poem, that means the explanation, I'll tell you something, then I'll ask you 2 to 3 questions. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, means to fight. Although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel, means sometimes they don't even know that on which topic they have been fighting, means what is the reason for which they have been fighting. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? You also might be fighting at your home with your siblings, means with your brothers and sisters. Do such quarrels last very long? Do such quarrels end or not? Of course, such quarrels do not last very long because you brothers and sisters live under the same roof, share same things, and your bond of love is very good. So such quarrels do not last long. Introduction of the poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrel begin over very small petty issues. And how with a small kind of act the quarrel ends. It is very mystic and beautiful. So let's read this poem and feel the same. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. The poet had a fight with her brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. Means they started the fight, at the end of the fight they even didn't know what was the cause of the fight for which they started their fight. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The fight was happening because of a series of things. Means first of all they fight over a very little or very petty issue, but later one thing led to another. Because when we fight with our dear ones, sometimes we speak such words which harm our relation. So one thing led to another and somehow we fell out. Here fell out means fell down. While fighting, both fell down. Both means the brother and the sister. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. Slight means to a small degree. Means when the fight started, it started on a very small issue. The reason was very small. But when it came to an end, it became very strong. The fight became very strong. Means in the beginning the fight was modest and was not very serious. But gradually, means as soon as the time passed, it grew intense and became a serious issue between two siblings. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. As it is said that it takes two to clap, means when the fight is there, when the fight begins, both the parties have their mistakes. That's why here it is said her brother said that he was right, whereas the poet was thinking herself on the right side. Means both of them were thinking that he or she was right, but actually both of them have their mistakes when the fight began, and it reached to a very big issue, a very big problem. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Means the time when they were fighting, that was the time of afternoon. That afternoon was being spoiled by both of them when they started their fight, because the fight stretched to up to afternoon. They started hating each other. Means in the noon the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. Means they didn't like each other when the fight stretched so long. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped means patted. All of a sudden, the poet's brother hit her on the back and asked her to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. Because if they would fight for so long, then the fight could be stretched to night and up to lifelong as well. So this is up to us whether we want to stop the fight by meeting, by hugging each other, or we want to stretch the fight by continuing on the same path of fighting. This is up to us only. So here poet's brother thumped her on her back. Thumped means patted on her back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." Means her brother said that they had to stop the fight at that time only, because they could not fight for the whole night. If they would keep on fighting for the whole night, then they could keep on stretching the fight for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, or to the years also. So the same I said earlier also, this is up to us whether we want to stop fight or whether we want or we want to continue. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. The one who says sorry first, that becomes right. So the poet's brother became right and the poet became wrong, because the poet was continuing with the fight and the poet's brother tried to stop it in the afternoon only. So here we want to say, if you want to stop the fight which is going on between you and your brother, between you and your friend, if you are the first one to stop the fight, you will become the best person, or you would be the one who would be in the right, means at the right side, and the other one would be in wrong. So better whenever you fight or whenever the fight begins, try to stop it instead of stretching it for a long time. Now let's begin with the summary of the poem. The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two siblings began and ended without any reason. The poet says that she quarreled with her brother over something and she was not even aware why she was quarreling about. One thing was giving way to another, and while fighting, both of them fell down. Initially, it was small, petty, small petty issue, but gradually it became serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart she knew that she was wrong. Both of them didn't like one another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly, her brother hit her on the back and asked her to come along, as it was not possible or right to longer the issue throughout the night, means to stretch the issue throughout the night. She also claimed to be on the wrong side. So she was actually, means the boy was, the brother of poet was actually right. It shows his generosity because he came first, he said sorry, and he asked the poet to be to finish the fight there only in the afternoon. Otherwise fight could be stretched for the whole life, for 1 month, for 2 months, for 2 years, even for 5 years, or we can say for the whole life. This is up to us only whether we want to end up the fight or we want to continue with the fight. So here the poet's brother took first step to finish the fight. Now your homework. I am assigning you a question to be done in rough notebook. Do the given question in rough notebook. And your question is, describe a recent quarrel, means a recent fight, the fight that you have done recently, that you have had with your brother, sister or friend. You'll have to explain how did it start, how did you quarrel about, means what did you quarrel about, means what was the reason of quarreling, what was the reason of fight, how did it end, who took first step to end it, and what was your role in that, what was your mistake, what was your friend or your sibling's mistake in the fight when you were fighting. Hope you will do your homework in your rough notebook. In the next class we shall discuss it. Thank you.